What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Back at it again. So, hey, happy 4th of July, you guys. So today we got this. We got king crab legs, lobster tails, sweet corn on the cob, smoked sausage. Then we got some red potatoes, some shrimp, and then we're gonna use some Zatters crawfish and shrimp and crab boil. So y'all, the missus gonna help me with this one today. So I already got the pot of water already on boiling. So what I'm gonna do, I got a Bud Light. I'm gonna come on over here and pour it in there. We're gonna wait for this boil to get to a real boil. And then we got that B-Love Yum Yum sauce. That's smackalicious. So now I'm about to get to wash off all my stuff. So we'll be back soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by adding my corn. Okay, got them guns, baby. Know what's about to go down. I'm about to go ahead and put these in there. And water. So first you just go stick them in there. Once they get a little more flexible, you can bend them in half. But you don't want to break it off at the beginning. And you're gonna put that top back on there. Get that joiner loosen up. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my sausage. That just gonna really bring out that Cajun flavor. Just drop it in there. You know, you can just boil that to a bust wide open.
So we're gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in.
Alright, so I'm about to go ahead and add my lobster tails. Man, it could be some good eating. I got 2 pounds of shrimp in there. I'm gonna just put this top on there. This way I ain't gotta worry about scooping them all up out of there. And I'm gonna just stick that whole thing down in there. Look at that. Man, that's amazing. I'm just go ahead and stick that top on there. Let them get to a bowl. Our finished product. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Make sure you go ahead and hit the like button, drop some comments, and smash the subscribe button if you already have it. Please be sure to share with your family, friends. And the next video will be a mukbang collaboration with Faith Squad. Peace out.